That's all those kids.
Bryce, come up. Bryce, you want to take the center row? Yep. You want to take the center row with your fucking...
Watch left. Did no one even see that? Did he even get out?
No.
'Cause I know I shot him. He was yelling hit too.
Oh. Hey, you guys gotta cover it, man.
Cover
He's making a break
run
for
up
it.
there. Run up there.
I can't run too fast.
See him? He's hit, dude. That guy's hit.
Look at this.
Run! 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 Turn
Cover him! Cover him! Cover him!
Cover him! Cover him! Cover him!
Got ammo! Go, go, go!
Come on, you can't tell me that they didn't get you.
I saw my rounds bouncing off his back, and he didn't stop, so I kept going. Then I got lit up, and I go, oh, I guess one of their guys is still alive. I was lighting you up. So what I did was I was like, okay, I'm getting lit up. So I was like, all right. I wanted to see who was going to run and take the intel from him. Yeah.
That's what I was waiting for the whole time.
But he kept running, and then he said that he did bang bang on you, so.
I got hit in the hand like
I didn't even hear it. That's why. Sorry for shooting.
You really think that I'm gonna run right past the two of you, especially you? Like I didn't see you.
I ran past a moving bush. So then who got?
I got Nathan as he's running up.
Me?
I don't know. Scott,
Okay.
Jane,
Who
Eric,
was left alive?
Tyler.
No, he shot him.
I got him. You hit me in the hand. I didn't feel anything on my back.
Well, it was bouncing off of your shirt, but I know it didn't count. So I just kept running until I got close enough. I kept getting closer, but I'm like, man, I can't get close enough. And then I got lit up, and I'm thinking, all right, who's gonna take the intel from them then, or whatever the fuck? But you said they were down. So.
Yeah, that sucks.
And Nathan, did you get hit?
No.
You gotta yell bang louder, don't
He
you?
was running.
Yeah.
I was like bang bang. You said
I
bang,
see a bunch of guys.
so
I'm
who
like,
do you
oh, I'm
have
like bang
left on
bang.
your
I
team?
shot him, and then I shot.
No
him.
one.
He comes out.
Dennis, did you get hit up?
Pistol. I got
Yeah, we're all out. Nathan's still alive. What about you? Were you hit? Yeah, Steve made it. So?
Yeah, I know.
You guys. Fingers in the
And you were
I was just kept hiding. I went from that tree to that tree.
Yeah, I kept watching.
I came out.
I was waiting to.
I need to go grab some water.
Seriously, I should have handed you a gun. Holy dude. Caught myself on things. Everything that sucks.
Did they get past you before you started shooting?
No, you though. No? Okay.
And they kept shooting at me. I was like, oh man, I'm the camera guy.
I was
It's okay, man.
Get your ass. I dropped down as soon as I saw you pop up. I was like, crap.
Alright, I'll wait until.
And then I was like, I tried to pop up.
Together. Let's hurry up. Let's get it.
Alright. You guys ready?
Hold on.
So it'll be you three then? Plus another guy. You wanna go you go with them then? Yeah, sure. Alright.
I'm
We're
excited.
going in second.
Duncan, can I use your pistol?
Yeah.
You got a guy with an automatic? You got
I got an automatic down. It's got one. Okay, fall back. Fall back. We'll spike him later.
They're gonna try and something.
Gotcha.
Damn.